Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka National Book Trust India kabadan hapo katanat puli puthi jong ka sarkar India. Kalapan benaban Pynlong ya ka book fair nega yo di kon Sien ka baar hanong ba Shillong kabanlong nadu ka san tarik hadu ka khatlai tarik urisau ar hajar ar pesau. Kani ka jing dia ki kot ketemu banang kentiu ki ba it ban pula kot ki badan hapo nong ba Shillong dak ba penet jingmot kerpang nak benta ki khun samla. U Principal Secretary Katanat Arts and Culture uba FR Kharkongor ulaong baka Shillong kadai kanong ba kabahyar pateng hakathok katar dak bakdo baki don kinong thok kot hakanong ba kibalayo jing itho nak perthei salon sar kajing Pynlong ka book fair kalong ru ban pun sngutanat ikinong pule kot bakinang milian ban pule kot kabaya daru na kajing syakta kajing punan kampalat ya mobile dak bakentiu ya kajing pule kot kani kajing thmu kalong ban penroi ya kajing perkhat kabajeliu kajing yakran kabatei bat kajing yo ya kajing tim Yuvraj Malik Director jong ka National Book Trust ulaong bakani kajing thmu kay le bante ya ka imlang ka salang ka bakhen ko ya ka thok katar bat ka call shore da kajing snok tilang kinong penmi kot kinong dia kot bat kinong thok kot ka Shillong Book Fair ka aimen siam ya kajing te ya ka jat ben riu bakan penwandur ya kajing mut jim perkhat bat kajing long jong kinong shong shnong jong ka da kajing job ban Pynlong ya kani ha ka Sien ka baar kinong penyat ki khmelenti ya kajing yalang ki ban sawan dak ba ang nuot ban seng ya ka Shillong Book Fair kum karensan bakong san ban penroi bakinong shong shnong kinang iet ban pule ya ki kot ha kajing jongki.
Very good morning to all the members of the press fraternity. Also welcome Mr. Yuvraj Malik, who is the director of the National Book Trust, and also his team that has come from NBT in fact in New Delhi. We're very happy that together with the National Book Trust, we will be organizing this second edition of the Shillong Book Fair, which started off on a very popular note last year, and seeing the popularity and the footfalls, the NBT has been very proactive in taking steps to organize the second edition of the Shillong Book Fair. Seeing that books are one main attractive point which can which can nourish the minds of the young students and young people and wean them away from the mobile devices, and also looking into various aspects of career guidance as well as career counseling. So besides the book fair as such, from NBT they have put in a lot of efforts to also organize special sessions for the youths, especially on career counseling related issues. And there's a focus on trying to motivate young people to join the civil service also, as we know that the number of civil service aspirants and the number of young people who are successful in the last few years has been not up to the mark. So NBT is taking special steps to ensure that there will be a special session and special resource persons who will focus on on motivating our young people and guiding them on civil services. These are just the overall context. More details will be shared by Shri Yuvraj Malik, who is the director of NBT, and I welcome Shri Yuvraj Malik, who will give you the overall broad perspectives as well as context of the National Book Trust.
First of all, I would like to thank Secretary Shri Frederick Roy, who made special effort to come out of all of his commitments. As I say, last year we made a commitment that we'll come back with next edition of Shillong Book Fair as an annual feature, and I'm happy to see that between Ministry of Education, Government of India, and the Department of Culture and Art, and especially the Ministry and Education, we have come up with this collaborative event known as Shillong Book Fair. Coming back to the theme of Shillong Book Fair, this 2024 edition, the fair will start on 5th of October morning at 10 o'clock. The timing of the book fair will remain same, 11 o'clock till evening 7 p.m. every day. The inauguration ceremony will be held tomorrow at 10 o'clock in the auditorium. The Honorable Governor has consented to be the chief guest to inaugurate the book fair. Following that, there will be some formal sessions in the auditorium. Then we will have a visit of the VIPs in and around the book fair. This is the broad scheme of things. The complete 9 days fair, as you know, the venue is the auditorium in the central library which we have, wherein there are more than 100 stalls of various publishers, booksellers and distributors with a very wide choice including all major languages, especially the languages which are spoken in the state. So we have kept a very special consideration to the fact that it should represent the reading habits and the reading need of the society. Going beyond that, this book fair will also be an opportunity for all book readers to grab their books with a discounted offer, which almost all booksellers are going to offer on a very good discount policy. There are a lot of sessions for authors, writers, speakers, and a lot of activities, especially for the children. We have made an effort that every day there is one children skill activity, whether it's about writing workshop, whether it's about handicrafts workshop, or any other way. There are more than 8-9 activities, one activity on each day, where the children can enjoy, whether through storytelling, whether it's through writing session, cursive writing, caricature making, Vedic mathematics, drawing, poster making, painting. Different workshops are there where we want the children should come and they feel enriched. Other than that, there are a lot of events where we have been requested by many authors, their book release functions can be carried out. So this will be a great platform for authors and writers to come and release their books. Other than that, every evening there are a lot of cultural activities, especially very popular musical and dance groups like Gitanjali Dance Academy, or Painter Orchestra, Color Band, Shatab, and Alive. Such kind of various art and cultural groups are going to come and perform every day for the people. Most important part, the book fair is entry is free for all. There's no ticketing or anything as our commitment. All school children, teachers, parents are requested to come and visit. We also requested a lot of schools, colleges, universities to come and participate in big numbers so that this festival of books becomes a grand success.